Okay, so you'd like to learn this nice left hand chord voicings. So I did something. Someone asked for the tutorial. Hallelujah, no go finish from mama to ho ho. Pa 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 pa. Oh, hallelujah, no go finish. Right, you not go finish from mama. Right, so these chord voicings are just basically a 3, a 6, a 2, a 5 in the key of C. So my 3 has a E minor 7, right? Then I went to a E flat minor 7, then to 2, D minor 7, then to 5, F major 7, F major 7 flat 5, then to C major C9, C13, right? Whichever way you're seeing this. So so that was it. So hallelujah, not go finish from our mouth to ho ho. Your goodness and mercy, da 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 da, pa 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 pa. Okay, so then I'm reading this chord also. This is a G dominant 7 flat 5, right? Right, for my 6. So let me use a pedal. Right, ta ta. Right, this chord, then so this chord, then hallelujah, no go finish. Oh, right, you no go finish for my mouth. So it's just very cool for you to learn this left hand chord voices. Right, 6 2 5 1. Right, bam. Right. So follow me for my remain myself the great John Sikis, and don't forget to get my intermediate piano course. It's on seller. You can ask for the link on my comment section. Right. So don't forget to get that to improve your piano play. And I have many other courses, piano courses. Right. And then we have our website also coming by the grace of God. So subscribe for more. God bless you.